It's vegan recipes with Pat and Emily.
Hi, thanks for stopping by It's Vegan. Today, I have an update about these beeswax wraps. We have a previous video where I think we just talk about beeswax wraps and then link a video below. Since then, a few things have changed. This is how I like to store my beeswax wraps, or not beeswax wraps. I still call them that. I can't break that habit. I just got this tube from, I don't know, some old wrapping paper, but it's very convenient to keep them rolled on this, and then I just keep it in my drawer where I would have wax paper, but instead I have these. Now, before I became a vegan, I made some of these. I have beeswax left over from the before time. So I'm not going to throw that away. I used it and I made these wraps. But since then, I have found this set of wraps that I believe come in different patterns. And these I got from Grove. Not that I am affiliated with Grove at all, but they work nicely. Whatever they put in there, it has that little bit of sticky to get them to stick on stuff. I will put a link below for these wraps, even though I'm not getting anything for that. Some things I would not wrap in these wraps. You can see it, they get a little bit of stain on them depending on what you wrap in them. I would not wrap an onion in these because they will gather that smell up and store it in there. Very handy for lunches, very handy for little bits of whatever I didn't finish eating. I like the different sizes. I had made myself different sizes. Canning in the background. With these beeswax wraps, these older ones that I made, this dark one was not quite the right fabric and it doesn't work as well. And with these ones, and see if you can tell in the corners here how it's not quite the same amount. I can just throw this in my oven and put some more wax on there. And this is like ready to go again. With these ones from Grove, however, I don't know about this soy and whatever combination of stuff they have on here, so I wouldn't feel comfortable doing that. Also, to wash any of these, you want to wash them in cold water. You can use soap, but you don't want to use that much, and you really just need to just wipe them off. You do not want to put these in hot water either set because it will start to melt the mixture coating that's on the fabric that makes these wraps that we like to use. And then these are ready to go again. Let them dry and then I just put them back on my roll. Whether you decide to make your own wraps actually made of beeswax or buy a vegan version or figure out how to make your own vegan version, you will be saving a ton of waste from going into landfills by having these simple roll in your house. Thanks for stopping by and seeing what we're up to. I hope to see you next week.